Today we're doing a mini haul of kikki planners and products. Now, I had never heard of kikki until recently, and I tried to search for a store, but there are no stores in the US. It is actually a Swedish company, and they do sell through other resellers, and that's how I had to purchase today's haul. I purchased it through Amazon. I looked at some of the retailers where they said that their products were carried, but I didn't see any. And I'm in a pretty major city here in San Diego, and I searched about 5 or 6 different stores trying to look for some. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturday. Now, kikki was not cheap. It was actually very expensive. So this alone, this folio was $84.95, and this is the first of ever that I've reviewed a folio. I'm not a folio person. I know a lot of people like using these and purchasing inserts for them, but I had folios right after college when I took a job with GE. It was kind of one of their perks. You could order a folio ad infinitum, like all the time from Franklin Covey, different styles. You could pick out whatever inserts you wanted. You could change them up, and everybody else had Franklin Covey planners running around. And so for me, it's kind of like not pretty, right? They're corporate. You can't really add a lot of personality to them. And I just don't want to ever use a folio again. And just in comparison, so this did come with inserts. However, if you had purchased this off of Amazon, which is pretty much exactly the same, kikki, this one has a design on it, but all of her other folios are just plain like this one, and they're a faux leather. And again, they all come with these pockets inside, the 6-ring binder, and these little inserts that you can pop inside of there, and stickers. And this one I think ran me $5.65. So $5.65 compared to $84.95. Just something to think about, because quite honestly, we'll do an unboxing. There was absolutely nothing special in here that would really tempt me into wanting to pay the $85 just in general. So the other thing that I purchased was a sticker book. Now this sticker book was $22.50. We'll open it up, but I was super surprised to find out there's only like a couple sheets of stickers and the rest are labels. Who wants labels? I don't ever want labels. That's a very odd thing to put in cards and a sticker book, but maybe that's totally normal in Sweden. Maybe when you buy stickers, it comes with cutout labels. I don't know. The other thing is, I purchased a 2019, it's bound. It's a planner, but it is 1 page per day, and it has the side step cutout, which I thought was kind of cute. Now this material, the style and everything else reminded me of Typo, where the similar notebook at Typo would cost you maybe $3.95. This one here was $20.95. I don't know why. I guess it's just their branding, and that's the price point they want to sell things at. And then the very last thing I got was just because I thought the cover was cute, was this travel journal, and this was $24.95. Again, definitely reminds me of Typo, which I actually love Typo. I'm not like putting them down or anything. Typo, probably a travel journal would have cost maybe $4 over at Typo. So anyway, so let's go ahead, unbox these. And again, I got these off of Amazon. I do have Prime, so I didn't have to pay for shipping, but if you don't have Prime, they did charge shipping to receive any of these items. One is the 2019 planner, and it looks like, I think this is a bookmark, or maybe it's just a product holder, but you could keep using it as a bookmark. Personal information, you got your year at a glance, and then you have each day of the year has a page, and it has a little note section at the bottom. This is pretty thick. I don't know if you can see that. And so whenever they're thick like this, I always say that only the top 2/3 or maybe 1/2 of the page is useful, because when I'm writing with a pen, as soon as my wrist like hangs down at that break, I can no longer write. Like I can technically write, but it's illegible. So let's see what they do for the month. So when you go to the month, it looks like there's a little phrase, be kind to yourself, live for the moments you can't put into words. Let us step into the night and pursue that flighty temptress adventure. Wake up, do all you can, illuminate the good in the world. Put your heart, mind, and soul into even your smallest acts. This is the secret of success. Take your dreams seriously. All good things are wild and free. Celebrate every victory. Each day provides its own gifts. And if you can't stop thinking about it, don't stop working for it. So it looks like every month, oh, so you don't get a month at a glance. Sometimes you do, but it looks like this is more just a diary. So it's just empty space and notes. So it just rinse and repeats the whole entire month. You get a small section back here for notes. And kikki, I think, does this where they have sort of texture on their pages for the notes. So you'll see you have lines and then you have little dots. I don't know if there's anything different. Nope, they're all the same. Lines and then dots. All right. And then we have a little secret surprise page of stickers over here in the back. All right, so let's move on. Oops. Let's move on to the next one, which is the travel journal. So I just loved this cover. It is, I guess it's like a grayish green, and it has this light blue, powder blue ribbon, and it has a cute design on it. I mean, I thought it was cute. Looks like it spans from the left to the right. This little product ribbon and little dots here in the front, your information, Kikki's travel tips, blank pages. Okay. Oh, no, we have some stuff here. All right. So here and now, where am I? How's the weather? Who am I with? What can I see? What can I smell? What can I hear? How do I feel? Why is this moment so special? Looking around, sketch or jot down words or stick things to paint a picture of what you see. So then we just go with dates. So it looks like, maybe is it broken up like that? My day on a plate. What did I eat today? Where did I eat it? What was my favorite thing? Did I try something new? So it looks like it kind of has notes mixed in with pictures and then I guess a phrase and mapping my journey. So a couple little questions mixed throughout, but for the most part, oh, now we repeat. So it looks like you get 3 pages and then it just kind of repeats over again. So that's cute. Sticker book. So the sticker book does match the folio that I checked out. And it looks to me, I don't know, for some reason I thought kikki, I'm probably saying it wrong, was more high end, like Kate Spade. But I think kikki is more just for like moms or children. So we have our sticker book here. And yeah, these are definitely, I mean, to me, these look like illustrations for small children or for moms. Which is fine. They're cute. Just not my style. Oh, these are cutouts. Yeah, this is definitely for kids. All right, so you get stickers and then you get cutouts. Wait, I lie. Yeah, half of the book is stickers and then starting right here in the middle, the rest is just cutouts. So you're just supposed to cut these out. Nope, the last 2 pages are just cutouts. I don't know what I'm talking about. The first 8 pages are stickers. The last 2 are these big, huge cutouts. I honestly don't know what you'd do with these cutouts. I guess if you had tape, you could put them up, especially for you, hooray. I don't know why they're there. Including, envelope sealers and labels. That's what they are. Gift tags, labels. All right. Could have just read the directions, Lisa. All right, so this folio was god-awful expensive. So it was $84.95. And again, not my style at all, but I just wanted to check it out because otherwise, I mean, what's the excitement of looking at a plain folio? And it looks like it has a button over here. And over here on the left, it's today is the day. So a little notepad in here. I'm unique. Your Kikki planner is made with love. So no 2 planners are the same. Tells you how to clean it, little labels and how much it costs. Of course, silica gel. I never really understood this when it's not food. So this is interesting. These are white. It looks like they're painted white. Can I open this? There we go. So that's different. Usually these are, I've only seen the silver or the gold ones. I've never seen white painted ones. Every day is a ray of sunshine. So it looks like you have a little plastic holder that holds all of your pages together. A weekly, a monthly, to do. Can I get this off without breaking it? Yeah. All right, here we go. Every day is a ray of sunshine. Cute little dog. You got some stickers over here in the front. Got 2 pages of those little dog stickers. Be in love with your life, every minute of it. It looks like, oh, it's an undated planner. How did I not know it was undated? All right, my son, let me try to move this a little. There we go. So, oh, that helps so much. All right. So it looks like you get 12 months of undated pages. You need to put your own dates in there. And then weekly, it all starts with an idea. It's hard to read this. It has nothing to do with the camera. This is just straight up hard to read. So it's very faint, which I guess then you can just write over Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So horizontal layout. I don't know how you feel. Whenever I get a horizontal layout, I kind of feel cheated. Like, what am I going to do with a horizontal layout? I'm definitely a vertical layout girl. All right, so we have a section called to-do. So we have our to-do list, date, top priorities for tomorrow, and notes, and water intake. I don't know why people do this. I honestly hope this trend goes away. I don't know. I've never tracked my water, ever. Joy comes to us in ordinary moments. Brene Brown. Just some plain pages. And again, no labels, so I guess you could just label this however you needed to. You can be anything you want to be. Be kind. And then again, another section. And does this one have a label? Oh, play every day. And another page back here for notes that you can just kind of tear out that have these cute little animals on them. So there's also a little dot pattern, but I don't know if you can see this. It's not very prominent, and it looks like the stitching is falling apart, actually. I don't know if you can see that. So, and then over here you have this on the back with their little kikki label. So if you like folios, this could be something cute for you. Now this was $84. If you're not too in love with the interior and what you get, I also picked this up just for comparison. Now this is purple, but this was only, I think, $6 on Amazon. It's the exact same thing. It has the 3. Again, like I said, it's the metal. It has little holders here. It has a little Ziplocs that you can store things. It even has a bookmark with a ruler on it. And look at that. You even get some stickers here too. So you get 2 sheets of stickers. You get emoji stickers. So, you know, just something to think about if you are able to make your own planners or you like buying your own inserts. Something like this is, I know you can't feel it, but this quality is exactly the same as this one. Obviously minus the cute little design, but even their plain ones cost exactly the same. They're about $85. And this one, the stitching, maybe it's a problem with everybody. The stitching looks like it's a little off on this one as well. So this one is more of this has a metal enclosure, but you could probably get one that has a snap if you like that snap button. So what did you think? Overall, like I said in the beginning, I think this is way overpriced for what you get. But again, I do place a low premium on folios in general. However, let's talk about what she did right. I think this design on the front is cute. This one just happened to have a design. A lot of them, most of them are plain. I think it's a really nice touch that she put notepads inside of here and one in the front, one in the back. I also thought it was a nice touch that there were stickers inside of here and the inserts were already inside the folio. I don't know if you guys know this, it's really huge. A lot of times the folios just don't come with them inside there. You have to unwrap them from a package and put them in there. So I like that everything was already inside. The other thing that I really liked is that the tabs were empty in the notes section. So you could kind of label these however you wanted, or you could write directly on the tab with a label of your own. So that was really nice. This one, I really wasn't a fan. I don't know. I guess if you like having just one thing per day, it would be useful. But again, it was so tiny and small and blocky and so thick that only 1/2 of the page is really able to be used for writing. The rest was, to me, not usable in any way. Now, this sticker book, again, I completely baffled how there are just a few pages of stickers and there are labels and tags inside. I just don't know what I would do with a label or a tag, especially a big label of just a cat. don't know what I would do with that. That just seems very odd to me. But again, maybe like if you're crafts or you have kids, maybe that's something fun you could stick up on their walls or in their bathroom. I don't know. Clearly I don't have children. I know people with moms are like, what are you talking about, Lisa? All right, travel journal. The travel journal, what did I say this was? $25. So I do think it's cute with the little silver writing inside here and with some of the little dots and everything. But again, I definitely don't think it was worth the $24.95 that I paid for this. But I did want to check it out. So that's what I did so we can all see. Let me know, am I being too harsh? Do you guys think this was okay to pay a premium for this? And again, maybe this has a really great brand recognition over in Sweden or other places where people want to pay double that because they just want something that says kikki. Maybe it's like having something that says Prada. I don't know. So let me know in the comments below, and I hope everyone's having a fabulous weekend. And remember, if you want to make your own planners, make sure to check out Planner 101. And that is, I'll leave a link for that below. It's a free 5-day mini course. All right, I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.